Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the AI travel agent which I am building. I will walk you through all the technologies I have used so far, the progress I have made and the targets I am working towards. So let me go ahead and demonstrate you what we have. So if you can see we got login and sign up and you can just go ahead and register yourself. These are not working as of now so you'll not be able to register. But if you want to try it out you can just click on that button and then you will be landing on dashboard, something like that. And this is an interesting feature which I am developing. So to start chatting you'll have to click on start chatting, and then here you see once you'll start chatting you'll be assigned with a session with a agent. So let's say you are looking for a hotels in Goa, so just you'll chat with this, it will give you a session, and you see it will just see I can help you narrow down your hotel search in Goa based on your preferences, such as a specific hotel, price range, amenities, location within Goa, and the type of traveler you are, like if you're traveling as a family or with a couple. So let's say I am traveling as a family with kids. Do you have a kid friendly hotel? Okay, you see, it just went ahead and listed all the hotels in Goa which are kid friendly, and here are the list. All right, so let me show you what all services I have deployed on my Cloud Run, and how my agent is interacting with different services. So you see I have a agent, and this particular agent is talking to a toolbox. So these are the deployed services on Cloud Run, and this particular agent is talking to MCP server with MCP toolbox, and also talking to a map service. It is also talking to Vertex AI to take a Gemini, but we don't need to deploy it, because when you'll create an agent, and if you'll create that agent with help of ADK command, it will ask you how you want to use a particular model, and if you want to use it with Vertex AI. So this is my agent, and then this is my front end application which we are seeing. So if you'll just go and see this particular agent, you see you can talk to it. So I was just playing through it. You can see it is how it is calling a different tools. So if you are looking for water sports activities in Goa, calls the sport search tool, and when you click on that it will just show you which tool it called. So let me walk you through the tools my agent is talking to. So there is a create user, search hotels, so which will search the hotels for us. It will be able to create the user for you. It will be able to search hotel by name. It will also be search hotel by location. Also it will be able to search the hotels by traveler type. So these tools, these four tools are being called on our Cloud SQL, and this particular tool is integrated with BigQuery because to know a persona or a type of a particular user, you may need a huge database, and you may need analytical data. So that's the reason I went ahead with uh, BigQuery for that. Then you see we got a book hotel. This is also a transactional data which will go with my Cloud SQL. Then we have list booking as well for Cloud SQL, and search user also for Cloud SQL. This places search tool I have deployed Google Map service, uh, and it is calling the API, the live API, and giving the real time details about the places. So this is all about what I have done and what I have built until now. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestion. See you in the next video.